Hi, welcome to the Teacher's Resource and Activity Exhibition. We're going to explore on topic 14, and we have our editing rights on. So first I'm going to hit an activity or resource. When the page opens, I scroll down and I hit under Resources label. And I hit Add. And now I have to type my label. I'm actually going to write in very large font a book report or information about teaching or studying a book. And the book is what my daughter's reading in school, and it is called Mr. Popper's Penguin. Okay, now I'll just bold it and underline it. And now, although it is a label, I'm still going to add some text, and this is what I'm going to copy and paste. But I don't want it underlined, so I'll get rid of the underline. Now I'm going to hit Save and Return to Course. And now you can see my label, Mr. Popper's Penguin, and some text that I wrote about the book. Now I could choose to use a different topic for each of the activities, but I am not going to. I'm going to keep everything about Mr. Popper's Penguin on topic 14. So now I'm going to add a resource. And I have to scroll down to get to the resources. And now I will add a file. Click on that file, and I have to scroll down and hit Add. And now I have to write information about that file and add the file. Then the screen opens and I fill out the information. I'm calling it Penguin Facts. I will type here my description, select one of the below files, read it, write 2 interesting facts about penguins, display description on course page, and now I need to get the files. So let's see how we do that. We have to find out where we add the files. This is the Add File button, so I will hit that. I'll hit that, and now it says Choose File. Okay, it also gives me up here different kinds of things that I could do. I can make, I guess, a file of information. I can upload a file, which is what I'm going to do. And now I'm going to choose the file. And actually, I already have a file chosen. So here's a file called Penguin Websites. I'm going to hit Open. And now I'm going to save it as Penguin Websites. What is going on here? Penguin Websites, and I'm going to upload this file. And now I'm going to choose this button here. Let's see if it works. This is a new folder. This is called Penguins. And I'm going to create the folder. And actually, I really want to put the Penguin folder in here. I don't know if it will let me. Well, anyways, this is what we do, and now we save and return to course. Now, actually, when I went and hit save, I realized I want to edit it. So I'm going to go and add another file. I just basically went inside to edit, and now I'm going to choose a second file. I'm calling this Penguin Facts, and now I will upload it. And now I have the 2 different files with my instructions. I could tag it. I won't though. Save and return to course. So now you'll see what I just did. I wrote information about the book. I wrote Penguin Facts. It's interesting because the 2 files did not show. didn't show. So it looks like you can only add one file, even though I added both. So I'm going to try to go back in to edit it. No, let's see. See how you edit it as you hit that button. I go back here, see what it looks like. Well, it seems that I have made a mistake here, so I'm not sure how to fix it. But I want to go back, select one of the above two files. I'm going to re-edit that. So it's not very helpful here. I want to change what I wrote, and I wanted to add two files. It only lets me add one file, and anytime I hit edit, it won't let me edit, and it just tells me where to put it. And that's not where I want to put it. It doesn't let me edit what I wrote. If I hit this, Penguin Facts, I want to change this, and it won't let me change it. So it doesn't seem very friendly. So be careful. Oh, let's see, I'm getting an orange thing. Select. These are required. Oh, that's very strange how, you see? Somehow now it lets me do it. So read the above file. That's what I'm going to say. Open and read. Oh. Let's see. Let me see if I can figure it out. Well, it seemed somehow through a lot of trial and error, the edit button finally worked. So now I'm writing open and read the above file. Then write two sentences, two facts about penguins, and post on the Penguin Fact forum. Now I hit save and return. And here it is, finally, there it is, something that simple. Took a long time to figure out. Okay, now I want to go back up here and say, oh, you know, I really want to add a picture here because I want to put the book there. So now I'm going to add a picture. Okay, I double click on the edit button and I'm going to hit edit settings, and hopefully that will let me edit the setting. And it says updating label. So now I will update the label and add a photo. Okay, I'll hit the media button and it will say find or upload an image. And now I'm going to choose my file. Choosing my file, and I hit open. I'm going to save as PP photo. And now I'm going to upload this file. And here it is. And then I hit insert. Yes. Save and return. Oh, now let's see. It's a pretty big picture like we learned. Let's see if I can resize it. So I'm just going to grab a corner and see if I can do it. See how little it is. That's pretty good. And I think I want to center it. So I go back up here and I'm going to hit center. Let's see if it centered it. It kind of did. Save and return. And look at that. There it talks about it. And I got a photo. And now I have a task of penguin facts. But now I'm going to go add a form so people can post on the penguin fact. So I hit again, add an activity. I'm going to scroll down fast down here so I can find forum. Actually, it's under forum here. So I click that. That's an activity. It's going to tell you what a form does, which I'm not going to read. And then I have to go to the bottom. It's very important you always scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to hit add. Let's see what happens. Now I have to add a new form topic. So I wrote the word penguin facts. I wrote the instructions, post 2 facts about penguins after you have read the penguin fact file. I said display the description on the course page. And now I'm scrolling down and I'm hitting save and return. Well, it doesn't seem like it worked. I have, oh yes it does, here. This is for the penguin facts, and this is the penguin facts. It doesn't say the word form. I think I'm going to edit it. Let's see what happens. Penguin facts forum. I'm going to put that word in there. Well, it doesn't work. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put, hold on a minute. Okay. Okay, here it is, fact form. I think it would be good to have a link. Okay, anyways, here's the fact form. I'm going to hit it. And here it is, add a new discussion topic. Okay, well anyways, I'm going to return to topic 14. It's a 10-minute video now, and I actually have to go. But what I really wanted to do, I don't have time to do it now, is afterwards I'm going to add an activity. And I could add, I'll tell you what I'm thinking of doing. I could add a game, maybe a crossword or hangman. I want to do something with vocabulary. I don't know if that's hot pot. I might do a vocabulary. And then maybe I'll do a podcast and ask them to say something about the book. And what else? Then I'll probably end it with a checklist. Make sure you did all these activities. But I don't have time now to do that. And I don't know if I will do it on a video. But that was my idea. And so now I'm going to get out of this add an activity or resource, and I'm just going to show you what I actually made. So here we go. Topic 14, Mr. Popper's Penguin. Some explanation about the book, picture, penguin facts file, then the fact form. Okay, look forward to learning with you.